Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to send a photo as a snap on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. If you want to send a photo as a snap, you have to send it from your camera roll. Now swipe up and tap on camera roll and your media gallery will open. Now select the photo you want to send. I'll just select a random photo and tap on the arrow icon on the bottom right corner. I'll send this snap to myself. So I'll just search my name, select the profile and then tap on the send button. And the snap is sent to my inbox. Now if I go to chat from the bottom of the screen, you'll see that I have received a message. Now if I open the conversation, you'll see the photo here. And the picture is of a very good quality. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.